Hi everyone, this is Philip Tan, the Area Director of the Academy for Creating Enterprise in the Philippines. And on behalf of our team, we'd like to greet you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year and wish a peaceful and prosperous year ahead to all of you. We'd like to report that we're so happy that we now have 226 chapters covering 90% of the states and districts in the Philippines. And for 2024, we were able to graduate almost 4,000 participants through our Start Now and Grow Now trainings. And out of that, almost 2,000 of them started small businesses. So we'd like to congratulate them and hope that they will continue to strive and succeed and even grow their businesses. As I was talking to my wife recently about her own business goals, I was inspired to share these three messages, which I think are very important because even if you are super talented, you have all the resources available, and you have a great business idea or you have great intentions, without these three ingredients, you will not be able to achieve your business goal. So what are these three things? So first is the ability to manage our focus. Second is the ability to manage our time. And third is the ability to manage our energy. So let me first talk about focus. Isa sa nagiging challenge natin as entrepreneurs, minsan marami tayong gustong gawin. I remember when I started my business and marami akong nakikitang oportunidad. So I ended up working on 3 businesses at the same time. And kumain ng oras sa akin. And hindi ko na dadating yung success in any one of them, no? Until I decided to just leave one and focus on one. So nung nangyari yun, also experienced better success doon sa negosyo na pinili ko. So very important yon na i-remind natin yung sarili natin na hindi lahat ng oportunidad para sa atin. And bawat opportunity na i-grab natin, it will take time, no? So minsan kung may negosyo tayo, gusto nating i-target iba-ibang market agad, it will take a lot of resources from us and a lot of our attention. So kailangan pigilan natin sarili natin and we start focusing only on one at a time until ma-solve natin yung mga issues doon before we move to another. Another thing that I'd like to share about focus is when we are faced with obstacles and challenges, minsan napanghina tayo ng loob. So ang suggestion ko is when we are faced with challenges and obstacles, we focus on what's within our control and focus on the few things that we can do that will make a difference doon sa problema na yon, instead of being overwhelmed kasi nakatingin tayo palagi doon sa mga problema. So second is about time, managing our time. So I remember in one of the chapter meetings, may isang chapter member na may negosyo na siya na maliit sa bahay at sabi niya hindi siya consistently nakapagnegosyo kasi kailangan niya maglaba, kailangan niya magluto para sa pamilya, marami siyang kailangan gawin na household chores. So kahit na magaling tayo, may resources tayo, kung di natin bibigyan ng sapat na oras yung ating business project o yung ating negosyo, yung mga challenges, ma-address natin yung mga challenges ng negosyo natin, hindi talaga natin ma-achieve yung ating goal sa business natin na lumago. So kailangan, very important, maging conscious tayo doon at mag-allocate tayo consistently ng tamang panahon, tamang oras para sa mga negosyo natin. So yung pangatlo, yung pag-manage ng energy natin. So marami tayong haharapin sa ating negosyo ng mga challenges, magkakos yan ng stress sa atin. Marami tayong kailangan baguhin o aralin sa ating negosyo na makakatulong para mag-advance yung ating mga layunin sa ating negosyo. So isa sa natutuhan ko is yung importance ng energy o ng lakas natin physically, emotionally, tsaka spiritually. Para magampanan ito o ma-overcome natin yung mga challenges na to at makagain tayo ng momentum. Kasi sa negosyo natin, marami tayong steps o isang malaking proseso yan hanggang sa maging successful yung business natin o ma-achieve natin yung goals natin. So minsan ang nangyayari, hindi pa tayo dumadating doon sa panahon na nagkakaroon ng momentum yung ating negosyo ay sumuko na tayo, nawalan na tayo ng energy o ng lakas. So, kaya dapat ihanda natin yung sarili natin, maging conscious tayo doon sa energy levels natin, at may paraan tayo para palakasin yung ating sarili. At yan, matulog tayo ng maayos, kumain ng tama, mag-exercise, at maging conscious, maging ready yung isip natin din para sa mga setbacks na ito. Para pag dumating sila, alam natin at kaya natin, may kakayanan tayo physically, emotionally, and spiritually para ma-overcome sila at ma-overcome yung susunod hanggang sa dumating tayo, makagain tayo ng momentum, and that momentum will carry forward yung ating business hanggang sa mag-glide na siya, hanggang maging maayos na yung takbo ng ating negosyo. So with these three things, we hope that you are reminded of the things that you can do to solve your challenges sa business and be able to have success sa inyong goals for 2025. So Happy New Year to all of you, and thank you for the work that you are doing for the Academy and for yourselves and for your family.